You are over.
See, look.
Yeah, now stay like that. Look how he's taking my space.
COVID's not a thing anymore.
So the grumpy people, they're hungry.
Shit on that.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have takeoff. Oh my god, why are you making me laugh so much? What are you listening to, AirPod? Let me put it in. Let's see if we'll see later.
Whoa, don't do that, George.
No, I want to see if this will pick it up. And we'll see how long put it off.
Your mother stinks.
How's the first flight going?
How's what?
How's our first flight going?
Sleep time.
So, flight number 1 from Durban to Johannesburg. Then we have a lekker 8-hour layover in We have a long layover in Joburg, and then we're on Singapore. This is like 2 shots of tequila. What was it? Oh, that's what we usually have. We have landed in Joburg and we're waiting now to board onto our flight, which is Singapore Air. Singapore, so we're flying to Singapore basically. So it is currently 5:35 and our flight is at 8 o'clock to Singapore. So we've got a few hours to kill. We're gonna have maybe a little bit of snacks. We've had a few little drinks already, trying to get like nice and sleepy for this flight. And then when we land in Singapore, we've got a pretty long layover. But like, for example, now when we landed in Joburg, the layover, we had a long layover, but the queues and checking in and all of that took, the queues and checking in and all of that took a little while. So it killed some time. So hopefully that will happen in Singapore for us as well, to kill time, because we've got like a 8-hour layover in Singapore. So originally we were going to fly with Qatar, and it was literally from Durban to Qatar to Maldives, but due to the chaos that's happening in the world, we had to change flights, meaning we had to leave 2 days earlier to get there basically at the same time. So yeah, it's been a little bit more hectic, but rather safe than sorry. So yeah, that's just an update on the current travel. If you're traveling from South Africa to Maldives and you're going to choose Singapore Airlines, just know the layovers are pretty hectic. But everything's going good, still having fun. The tequila shot has smacked us a little bit, so we're now getting into the sweet treats. Fruits. Put it. Fruits. Okay, so we have been on the Singapore flight, and I thought I was getting good sleep, but then my watch was saying I've literally only got in like 3 hours, but I did sleep for probably about 8 hours of this flight. So now we're chilling and I'm watching a movie called Housemaid, and we're waiting for food. But yeah, the flight actually went pretty quick because we did that whole like sleeping, waking up, dozing kind of thing. bruh, but I am so thirsty and dehydrated. Like, this is not a fun feeling. So yeah, I need to try to drink. And we're also trying to not drink too much water because it becomes a mission to get up and down until we... My pudding's watching a movie. I'm watching a movie. So yeah, just thought I'd give an update that we are almost done with our flight and we are almost in Singapore.
Where we at?
We're at...
Where we at?
Okay, we've just arrived at Singapore airport and now we're exploring this airport like it's a museum. Starting off with this. How's this work of art?
Terminal G.
Sleepy little baby. We are in Struggle City. Struggle City, trying to trying to sleep on these kind of couches. So we're getting like a unique orange juice experience, fresh from oranges.
Where we at?
Where is it even going? Do you even see it? Well, something's moving
Yeah,
there.
and it goes down to the bottom.
Oh, so do you not even see them?
Yeah, but that's sense. Happens exactly.
Well, sorry guys, this is a pretty lame experience. Do you not even see your cup?
Yeah, to the bottom.
What? That's so...
You didn't come sealed.
What? That's pretty cool.
The straws.
Oh.
Plastic straws, bro.
Oh, just dab it though.
Yeah. Yeah.
How's your juice? Are you happy, baby pudding?
That's fresh, yeah.
It's not even full.
Yeah, with the ice. It's good. Proper.
They could at least fill it if you don't want ours. Oh, I'm looking pale, bruh.
Who?
Me.
That's good.
Cruising with my homie, trying to waste some time by going on these walking things, chilling, just wasting time. This layover has been hectic, bruh.
All day of work.
Mind your step. Mind your step.
Oh, we didn't get.
Am I hallucinating or is my husband this hot?
No, we didn't get impact.
Alright, good morning. We have finally made it to the Maldives. So last night, the 4-hour flight was crazy amount of turbulence. Plane was constantly going up and down, and to a point where even the stewardess had to like stop doing service, had to sit down and like chill. So there was crazy turbulence. Then we finally got to the Maldives, probably around like 10:30, to then be told that our surfboards got left in Singapore. So thanks for that, Singapore. You are amazing. So yeah, we are only going to get them like later today, where we should be surfing. So that is a different story, I guess, if we want to say. But yeah, we got here. The drive to the hotel was also like, I don't know, if you want to picture like videos you've seen in Indo with all the crazy scooters, it was basically that. So we are like staying on the main island, the mainland of the Maldives, because like accommodation and that's a little bit cheaper. So we just spent one night here. It's a very small room, but very clean, very comfortable. Staff is super friendly. We are going to head off to breakfast. Don't walk out here naked, Brian.
The surf was super friendly. We're gonna go head for breakfast, come back, pack up the last few things, and then we're heading on the boat to the actual surfing resort, which I'm super pumped about, even though we don't have surfboards, but I'm sure they might have a board or two, or my voice, to rent out. So yeah, that is us. This is the room for now. Oh, yeah. But this is our little window. We've got a little viewpoint over here. These are acorns. That's our little viewpoint. Oh, and then you've got neighbors right here as well, which you can hear. But other than that, everything is good. We're excited to be finally here. One little trip, and then on to the next video of our actual surfing trip.